So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable bass boost on the JBL Boombox 4. So what you need to do to enable bass boost is press that button once, and you can tell bass boost is on because that light will light up. Now, if you press it once, it's going to light up and enable bass boost for deep bass. And if you press it again, it's going to enable bass boost, but with punchy bass. So there are two main variations of bass boost. And then when you press it a third time, it turns off bass boost. Okay, so bass boost deep, bass boost punchy, bass boost off. Now there are also lights to show you what kind of bass boost you're on. So if you turn on bass boost, it's gonna glow orange on the sides, and that's for bass boost for deep bass. And then bass boost for punchy, it's gonna glow white. And when you turn off bass boost, that light turns off as well. Okay. Now you can also do this from the app. So you can go to the trusty JBL app on your phone, launch it, and go to your JBL Boombox 4, and you will see the option to turn on bass boost. So you can turn it on, and then once it's on, you can switch between deep bass and punchy bass, depending on what you want. And you can turn off bass boost from here. Thanks for watching, and good luck.